This video is for Gordon Ramsay, so if you know him, do me a favor and please scroll through.
Let's make a beef Wellington. Let's brunoise these shallots.
When Chef Dwight is done with the shallots, he's gonna chop some chives and set them aside. I'll then start working on our duxelle, mixing some shiitake and button mushrooms. In a pan with oil and butter, he's gonna start cooking the shallot, season with salt and pepper, and add the mushrooms to cook through.
I'm gonna finish the duxelle with thyme and rosemary.
We'll add the herbs to the pan and we're gonna cook it until it's fully dry and then flambe it with cognac.
Now let's start working on the green crepes.
In a blender, I'm gonna mix my parsley and milk and set it aside. In a bowl, I'm gonna mix my flour with eggs, add my milk, season, and then we're gonna start cooking our crepes, making sure they stay nice and green. We're gonna set them aside.
Star of the show, the beef tenderloin. And then a little bit of pepper.
Whoa, what are you doing? Jeez, that's how we do pepper.
We'll then sear the beef on all sides to give it a nice crust and bring it to about rare. Let it rest and we're gonna add some mustard. Time to assemble first the crepe, then we're gonna add the prosciutto, then we're gonna mix our chives with duxelle and create a layer. We'll then place the beef and roll it like a bundle of joy. Now it's time to put it in the fridge to tighten and chill.
Let's start by rolling the puff pastry.
Of course, we made our own. Once rolled, we're gonna add a sausage and roll it up, and Chef Dwight's gonna seal it off with some egg wash. I'm gonna also work on the lattice with the extra dough.
Now we egg wash and bake.
We'll place our lattice and add more egg wash and bake it in the oven at 425 for about 25 to 30 minutes or until fully cooked. We'll then let it rest, then open it with my bread knife, then my slicer. So chef, how did we do?